ready. Wow! Okay, Assalamualaikum. This is your Pinoy gunsmith in Kuwait. And because of COVID-19 virus, we are locked down and our company is closed. So this time, I want to give a tip on how to clean your barrel. And I want to do it on my way. I will show you this cleaning kit set. As you see, there is a rod, and you can make an extension for the rifles. There is a rod, there is a cotton for swabbing, there is a steel brass, there is a nylon brass for different calibers. But I don't want to use it. I want to give a tip to those who are beginners and those who don't have this cleaning kit on how to clean I will teach you on how to clean your barrel. I have here a rifle, a BB gun. This is caliber 4.5, same as caliber 22. And we will use a material that is available. I have here tiny wire. Take as long as or longer than a barrel and fold it in the middle, so it will make it two. And then after this, you twist the end so it will not separate. Okay, after you twist the end like this, make an opening eye on the end. This one here. Like this. If you have a drill, you can twist it so it will make much better. But if you don't have a drill, you can use your hand like this. Okay. Okay, not too much, so it will not separate. You can do it manually. So you have an opening here, and make sure it will pass through your barrel. So you can try on the end, it will pass. Okay, and then what I will do next is I will use this. You can use this. This is commercial also. This is cleaner, pipe cleaner. If your bore is bigger, you can use more. But this time I want to use this one. Instead, I will use a piece of cotton cloth cut like this. Like this. You can cut like this. It depends on the size of your barrel. If your barrel is bigger, you can cut bigger or wider cloth. And then I have different kind of lube cleaner here. There is like this one, there is all-purpose, firearms, auto, marine, tools, machinery, electrical, and commercial. This is one kind of cleaner. I have also here carburetor cleaner. All cleaner, commercial. There's a firearms cleaner, degreaser. But if you don't, how about if you don't have all this commercial cleaner? I suggest you can use this petrol or gas. But you have to be extra care because this is flammable. Just soak this on the petrol or gas, and then you can put it here on the eye of your, like this. By the way, if you don't have this wires, you can use also this this is fishing line. Select the most bigger one, the bigger the better. So it is the same. So after you make it like this, you can soak it on the gas, or you can spray it to make it wet with your cleaner, like this. Also, you can spray it directly to your body. There is a bore cleaner, commercial one. Okay. After that, I'll show you. Okay, after that, you will insert your wire or your fishing line like this. I make it longer. It's because you have to make a trial and error. If you feel that this is very hard to pull, do not continue. Pull it back and make a smaller cut of cloth, because once it is stuck here inside, it's very hard to take it out. So I make it longer so I can make it a trial like this, and if it is hard, I can pull it back. Do not continue. You can feel the pressure, but don't make too much pressure. See? Okay, look at this. And then you can do it many times. You can change the cloth if it is too much dirty, like this. You can change it. For the second time, you can use another cleaner for the second time. Okay, same procedure. Pull it on the other side. You see, it is more clean now. If you are satisfied with the clean, use a dry one. For the last one, for the last cleaning, use a dry cloth like this. Why I am starting here and not on the other end? Always start here on the chamber, on the bullet chamber. Always start here, so that you will not, okay, it is clean now. Always start here on the bullet chamber, so that you will not damage the crown. This is very important. Okay, now this is my tip on how to use on how to clean your rifles. It depends on the size of your barrel. If the size of your barrel is bigger, cut a bigger cloth. Okay, now let's go to the pistol or revolver. I have here 2 barrels. This is 45 caliber barrel. First, again, you can use a gas or a cleaner. Spray it, make it wet with your cleaner, and you can brush, it this way using your old toothbrush. If there is a carbon, you can use a small screwdriver to clean the hidden parts. Okay, like the corner. Okay, and then how about the inside? If your barrel is too much dirty, especially if you are using the reload bullet, and it happens that there is a lead stuck up inside your barrel. So what I am doing is I make this rod. This is not steel, this is brass rod. Why I make it a brass rod? So that it will not damage your groove or bore. What I'm doing, if there is too much lead, because we don't have brass, we can use this like this. Go and port. You see, if you can see this, I want to show you the residue. See the carbon? Okay, see this. But again, I suggest do not use a metal or steel. Just use aluminum rod or brass rod. See, there is too much residue. Okay, you can do it as long as there is a carbon or residue inside your barrel. Just do it like this. You can see this. Okay, this one. See. There is a question. How many rounds before you clean your gun or barrel? For me, it's not by the round. Every time I use my gun for practice, even it is 5 rounds, I clean my barrel. So it's always ready. Always ready. Make sure that your gun is always ready every time. Before you keep your firearms on your safety box or whatever cabinet, make sure that your barrel and your gun is clean. Okay, look at this. After this, Now you can use same procedure on how we clean the rifle. This time I will use this, okay, because this is short, yeah, and because this is bigger, I will use bigger cloth. Maybe I will make it double this, okay, and then same procedure on how I clean my rifle. If it is too much loose, you can fold it and make it again like this, and until it is, see, now it's bigger. You can use this method also in your revolver, like this. See? Always look. Always to start with your chamber so that you will not damage the crown. See? See now? And for the last time, use a dry cloth. Okay, if you are not satisfied with this, there is another technique. You can cut a bigger cloth, and you can use a rod like this. And you can use a rod like this. And put it like this here and push it through, okay, until it is truly clean. Okay, you see, this is another way. Also in here, if you don't have commercial cleaner, you can use a kerosene gas. If you use gasoline, you have to be more extra careful because that is extremely flammable. Okay, I am not suggesting you can use that, but I am not suggesting it because this is very dangerous. Just use a kerosene gas. Now I will show you. Okay, your barrel is clean. Okay, I think I have 21 minutes. It's okay for now. Hope you learned something from your Pinoy Gunsmith. Okay, again, please subscribe my channel Pinoy Gunsmith, and push the notification bell so that you are updated every time I post my vlog. And also shout out to all my friends, especially to our firearms chief firearms instructor Eric Ragma, who is now in Philippines. Best Eric, shout out to you and to your family. Hope you are safe and safe in COVID virus especially. And shout out to your magandang asawa na si Erica at sa iyong napaka-cute at matalinong anak na si Sheka. Okay, shoutout also kay Jo. Shoutout daw kay Jo, nagpapa-shoutout si Jo Solita, ang aking anak ng aking pinsan. Okay, sa inyong lahat ng mga kapatid dyan. Shoutout na rin sa mga pamangkin ko sa Bulacan. Kay Omar De Leon, pinagdadasal ko na sa susunod na bar exam, ikaw ay papasa. At ganoon din sa iyong kapatid na si Omar, papasa na rin niya sa sunod na bar exam. Pagdadasal natin yan. At ganoon din sa iyong kapatid na si JT at si sino to? At si Bing, yung inyong bunso. At ganoon din sa inyong daddy na si Attorney Placido De Leon Sr. At sa inyong mami na aking kapatid na si Doktora Marilyn Pilorin. Shoutout na rin sa aking panganay na kapatid na si Charmy Adbicula na nasa Maynila. Ingat ka dyan natin. Sa iyo ring asawa na si Kuya Trilan. Ingat ka dyan at sa iyong dalawang anak na si Joy at si Charlene. At si Joy at si Raisa. Shoutout sa buong inyong pamilya. Ingat ka dyan. Shoutout ko na rin yung aking isang kapatid sa Bulacan, sa Laguna, si Lorin, sa iyong anak na si Dondon, at kay Lowell, at sa iyong mabait na asawa na si Manny Tabi Alaman. At ganyan din sa aking kapatid na nasa Amerika, yung aming pinakambunso na si Richard, si Lorin Jr., yan ay Ricardo, ang aming tatay. Pero pagdating niya sa Amerika, nag-level up, naging Richard. So, shoutout kayo dyan. Busong kapatid, I miss you. Shoutout sa iyong asawa na si Gina Yap. Sa iyong 4 na anak na mga guwaping. So, hanggang dito na lang mga aking YouTube channel. 24 minutes na. Baka naman nanonood na ano na. At sa mga gusto magpa-shoutout, comment lamang kayo. Kung meron kayong tanong at gustong malaman, kahit sa paglilinis, katulad ng paglilinis nitong magazine, kung paano, at pagbubukas ng magazine, siguro sa susunod kong vlog. So, hanggang dito na lamang. Ito ang inyong This is your Pinoy Gunsmith. Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye.